you're acting like it down now. You know, but you're acting like it down now. You know, you're acting like it down now. You know, but you're acting like it down now. You know, you're acting like it down now. I tear the club up from show. This flow is gon' bring more dough. You know, but you're acting like it down now.
Tennessee, something so sinister, secret, I'm like a centerpiece, little machine, such a vicinity, sucking the sea, shocking to stick a sip of Hennessy, shit hinge, all the he's in this bitch, right, commission, position, the bitch and dipping, when I'm into slipping, submission, all of this is the gripping, the copulating, the kissing, my operation is ripping to the body, shaking and stripping, I put up a sky, put him in the crowd, pull us, giving us rides to the good brides, and giving it bras to us, with the gift to break up a couple, that's monogamous, stop with the props, and take off your effing drawers, bitch, and rock with them, been giddy, cause them titties are on my chin, chinny chin, did he pretend he was again kitty, sucking the creme de la creme, and the skin pretty dim, litty, then hitting the trim, and Sin City, let it in on the medicine, get her wetter than ever been, never better than a veteran, level that in the bed again, rockin' red, I've been in my Letterman, bright as Edison, like I said, Edison, head up, win at events, and I'm Fedderson, open up your hoes, you know what's up, told you when I bust her clothes, they wanna just go right off a butt for show, they wanna cut, explode, drop a low, cause the flow is so dope, they wanna, so dope, they wanna, so dope, they wanna, give it all up and really get blown, so dope, they wanna, so dope, they wanna, so dope, they wanna, give it all up and really get blown, so dope, they wanna, so heroin, so cocaine, so ketamine, promethazine, so X, so Thorazine, so morphine, so dope that they wanna have sex, so dope, they wanna,
Vidimo da je iz kluba BMW Makedonija, čestitam. Jedna devojaka će ti uručiti. Tako. Tu je markirana odjeća, nema šta. Čestitamo polenike. 3 puta, vrate. Idemo dalje. E46, redni broj 0, čestitam. Izvoli da preuzmeš pekar. Serija zanima. Oldtimer. Etiket, svaka čast. To se ljubljenje, molim vas. Čovjek i po godinama. Ništa ljubljenje. Dobro. Naočare, morate samo. Hvala. Kaže ostavilo ga žena. Pekare, on će još jedan puta sada poslije da ode na pekare, da pokaže kako on to radi. Sada, pobjedniku ajme jedan aplauz. Idemo dalje. E90, redni broj 090, ajme jedan aplauz za pobjednika u ovoj klasi. Ajme jedan aplauz. Pošto ovaj čovjek više neće imati ženu, tako da ga pozdravite glomoglasnim aplauzom. Već mu piše oprošteno pismo. Idemo dalje. To u klasi je 34. Slobodno se ljubite šta ste se stisnuli. Mislim, ako izgubiš devojku, izgubit ćeš je svakako. Ajmo da... Čestitam. 2-5. Alo, sudije, 2-5, 5-2-5, alo. Čestitam. I ovaj više neće imati ženu. Sad, F10. Čestitke. Svaka čast. Pa mora malo. Ajmo. Ništa ljubljenja. Kakav je čeki. Pa treba da mu ostane posle taj auto, da. Idemo dalje. Ajde sad da dođemo momak po pekar za F10. Nosio si gajbice kao mali. Da. Ajmo jedan aplauz za njega. Svaka čast. Radio. Radio BMW. Najbolji auto ovdje. Ovo je samo moje mišljenje. Serija i...